I used to do 15-minute AB workouts, 50 crunches, sit-ups, leg raises, the whole routine. Then I cut it down to just 3 exercises, and my abs actually improved. Here's why that happened, and the 3 exercises that replaced everything else. The issue wasn't effort, I was training hard. The problem was I was hammering the same muscle over and over and completely ignoring 2 other parts of my core. Abs aren't one muscle, they're 3. Upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. Most routines, including my old one, overload one and skip the other 2. That's why progress stalls even when you're working hard. So I stripped it down to exactly 1 exercise per area. 3 moves, 10 minutes. That's the entire routine now. Exercise. Number 1, leg raises. First, leg raises for the lower abs. Lie flat on your back, hands under your hips for support. Keep your legs straight and lift them to 90 degrees, then lower, slow, almost to the floor, but don't let your lower back arch off the ground. That's the mistake I used to make, dropping too fast and letting my back do the work instead of my abs. Control the lower, that's where the real work happens. 4 sets of 12 to 15. Exercise. Number 2, hollow body. Hold second, the hollow body hold. This one replaced basically every crunch variation I used to do. Lie on your back, press your lower back into the floor, lift your shoulders and legs off the ground at the same time, arms extended overhead. It looks simple, it is not. This is a hold, not a rep-based exercise. And that's exactly why it works so well. Most people can't hold this for more than 20 seconds when they start. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, rest, repeat for 4 rounds. Exercise. Number 3, side plank. Dips third, side plank dips for the obliques. Get into a side plank, then dip your hip down toward the floor and lift back up. This is the one that actually carves in your obliques instead of just working your abs generally. I made the mistake of just holding a static side plank for months. That barely does anything for definition. The dipping motion is what makes the difference. 4 sets of 12 to 15 each side. The twist. Here's the part that surprised me most. Cutting my routine down didn't just save time, it fixed my results because I finally trained all 3 areas instead of overtraining one. But there's a second reason my abs started showing, and it had nothing to do with exercises at all. I could have done these 3 moves perfectly for a year and still not seen results, because abs aren't built in a workout, they're revealed in the kitchen. 2 people can have identical AB strength. One has visible abs, the other doesn't. The only difference is body fat. Once I paired these 3 exercises with a small calorie deficit and enough protein, that's when everything actually started showing. So that's it. 3 exercises, twice a week. That's my entire core routine. If you're doing 10 different ab exercises and still not seeing results, this is probably why. Subscribe if this helped.